Hello students, we are going to start chapter 4th of Maths of class 8th, that is Practical Geometry. Practical geometry is used to construct figures like line segment, parallel lines, angles, triangles and quadrilaterals. Students, we will use different tools while drawing construction like protractor, it is also called D, ruler or scale, and compass or rounder. Students, to draw neat and clean figures, your pencil should be sharp. So students, you have learnt how to draw triangles in class 7th. We require 3 measurements to draw a unique triangle. Since 3 measurements were enough to draw a triangle, a natural question arises whether 4 measurements would be sufficient to draw a unique 4-sided closed figure, that is quadrilateral. In chapter 3rd, you have learnt about quadrilaters. That means are those polygons which have 4 sides. Students, you can see many different types of quadrilater. In some of them, all the sides are equal, while in the others the sides are unequal, but the angles are equal. Whereas in some types of quadrilateral like parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, trapezium. Students, in this chapter we shall learn how to construct a unique quadrilateral given the following measurements. When 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, and when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, and last, when other special properties are known. Let us take up these construction one by one. I shall explain construction when the lengths of 4 sides and a diagonal are given by an example. Example is construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RS is equal to 5 cm, PS is equal to 5.5 cm and PR is equal to 7 cm. Students, firstly we will draw a rough sketch. This is a rough sketch because rough sketch will help us in visualizing the quadrilateral. And mark the measurement. First we give the name P, Q, R, S. Student, this is rough sketch, so we do not use scale. PQ is 4 cm, so we write 4 cm. QR is given 6 cm, so we write 6 cm here. And RS is equal to 5 cm, so we write 5 cm here. And PS is equal to 5.5 cm, so we write 5.5 cm here. And PR is equal to 7 cm. So student, this is PR. This is 7 cm. Clear students? So your rough sketch is ready. Students, before using the compass, you need to make sure that point on the pointer side and pencil are lined up perfectly. Look at here. This is the wrong position of pencil and this is also wrong position of pencil. Students, this is the perfect position of pencil because look at here. Point on the pointer side and pencil are lined up perfectly. Clear students? Students, look at rough sketch. The base of quadrilateral PQRS is QR and QR is given 6 cm. So we draw a line segment that is 6 centimeter. Students, this is QR. Look at rough sketch. PQ is 4 centimeter. So students, now we will take 4 centimeter radius in a rounder or compass. Now we take Q as a center and draw a arc. Students, this is arc. Arc means a part of circumference of circle. Clear? This is arc. Now we take 7 centimeter in compass or rounder. Clear students? You can see here I take 7 centimeter radius and with R as a center we draw an arc that intersect the previous R at the point P. So we write here P. This is P. Now we join P and Q. Students, this is P and Q. Clear? Now I will join P and R. Student, draw a line. This is PR. This is 7 centimeter. Now look at figure. Here RS. RS is 5 centimeter. So we will take a radius of 5 centimeter in compass and we draw an arc with center R. This is an arc. Now students, you can see PS. PS is 5.5 centimeter. So we take 5.5 centimeter of radius in compass. Students, this is 5.5 centimeter of radius in compass. Now we take P as a center. Now we take P as a center and draw an arc. This arc intersect the previous arc at the point S. Students, we write here S. This is S. Now we will join S and R. This is SR and this is PS. When we join P and S, it will be PS. Now mark the measurement. QR is 6 centimeter. So we write 6 centimeter here. RS is 5 centimeter. So we write 5 centimeter here. And PS is 5.5 centimeter. So we write 5.5 centimeter here. And PQ is 4 centimeter. So we write 4 centimeter. Clear students? This is required quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is 4 centimeter, QR is 6 centimeter, RS is 5 centimeter and PS is 5.5 centimeter and a diagonal PR is 7 centimeter. Here PR is a diagonal. Clear student? So this is a required quadrilateral PQRS. So we will solve exercise 4.1 in next video. Up till then, thank you.